Well, the good news of the day is that the earnings recovery has kicked in by a lot of brokerages who are hinging on strong festive season demand. Basically, brokerages across the board have upgraded the earnings as well as hiked the target prices for a lot of Indian companies as they believe that they are going to see economic recovery ahead of the festive season. So be it sectors from cement, automobiles, IT, metals, across the board which form over a quarter of the weightage for the Nifty, have seen these upgrades of late. For instance, Jefferies in their latest notes says that they expect capacity utilization in cement companies to improve to 65% in FY23 from an expected 60% in FY21 on account of a swift recovery in demand. They've upgraded Ultratech's FY21 EPS to 126 from 118. Kotak Institutional, they've gone ahead and upgraded Infosys' projected EPS by 8 to 9% and 4 to 8% for TCS for FY21 and 23 after their quarterly numbers in September. They've also had Jefferies go ahead and raise the EPS estimates for Infosys and TCS by 2 to 7%. Credit Suisse has their eye on the auto sector. They've upgraded Maruti Suzuki's earnings by 3 to 7% for FY21 and 23 on account of the better than expected volume estimates in the coming months. In fact, they expect major replacement wave as well in the auto industry, and they believe that this is likely to sustain growth in the passenger vehicle segment over the next 3 years. Analysts have gone ahead and also upgraded the estimates of stocks TCS, HCLTech, Wipro, Divi's Laboratories, Infosys. All of these target prices have been increased in the range of 35 to 48% in the last 3 months, according to Bloomberg. These upgrades have resulted in an improving Nifty EPS as well, and the 12-month forward EPS as well of the MSCI index has also risen by about 11% from the July lows. In a recent strategy note, you also had Credit Suisse saying that August 2020 was the first month after February when the 12-month forward EPS for the BSE 100 index increased sequentially, while September had the first upgrade for FY22. They also went ahead and said that after 5 months of a sustained increase in the PE multiples, the trend has now reversed and may continue for the next several months. Among the Nifty constituents as well, over 61% trade at multiples which are one standard deviation from their mean valuations, reflecting higher valuations with respect to historical averages. Now, though the Nifty has already gained about 8% in the last 3 months, the PE has remained in a fairly tight range, suggesting that the gain in the market is largely driven by earnings upgrades. The index trades at a record 1-year forward PE of 20.8, which is at nearly a 35% premium to the long-term average.